Hey everyone, welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about weather. A nice day across the interior day, lots of sunshine. Temperatures warmed up again, 45 degrees at the Fairbanks Airport. I'm sure it's warmer in the other areas, but we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Here's our photograph for tonight. This one's sent in by Chris Jacks, another Fairbanks sunrise. Not quite sure what that tower is in the foreground there, but anyway, the colors you can see are really beautiful. Again, lots of reds and oranges. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send to photos at ktvf11.com. Numbers look like this right now at the airport: 39 after a high of 45. The low last night, 1. Record high 1947, record low 1911, down to 56 below that year. Sunrise and sunset 11 hours and 37 minutes. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar, boy, you can really see the flow of moisture and warm air coming in from the south and the southeast and just flooding across the entire state. Again, the Alaska Range blocking out all the moisture. It's all hanging around the Anchorage Bull and south of the Alaska Range. Elsewhere across the state, we have once again more rain falling across southeast Alaska. It's stopped in Ketchikan, but still continuing across Juneau. Kodiak, some rain there. Snow showers at Cold Bay and a mix of rain and snow at Bethel with cloudy skies at Nome, 13, and snow flurries in Barrow at 0 degrees. Lower 48 weather, looking at more rain over the Pacific Northwest. Nice weather finally across the Central Plains. Cold temperatures, though, cooler temperatures, but it's going to warm up pretty rapidly because the jet stream, once again, is bringing all the warm air up from the south. At the same time, helping to push across a few areas of snow across the Great Lakes, but that's about it. Nothing really strong expected. Through the weekend, once again, the warm weather will transition from the Pacific all the way across from the west to the east, and more rain and thunderstorms expected over the deep south with colder air across the northern plains. But things are definitely warming up, and that's good news for them. Back to Alaska for tomorrow. Blowing snow at Barrow, a couple inches of snow expected in Nome, and mostly sunny skies in Fort Yukon. In the interior, looking at strong winds continuing for Delta Junction and Healy, mostly cloudy skies at Fairbanks, and Delta Junction winds could gust as high as 60 miles an hour this evening. Periods of rain for both Juneau and Ketchikan, while over the south central sections, or southwest, as I say, snow showers at Bethel and Cold Bay, and areas of snow expected at Kodiak. And over the south central sections, we're looking at rain and snow at Anchorage, snow at Homer, and 2 to 4 inches of snow expected in the Valdez area. Well, once again, time for our kids' weather. All this week talking to the kids from Badger Road Elementary School. And tonight we're going to talk with a teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Castle, and this is my 5th grade class here at Badger Road Elementary School. We have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that a waterspout is a tornado that forms over water? One waterspout in Australia moved back over the land and dropped hundreds of fish.
Wow, that's awesome. Wow, that's awesome.
And of course, next week is spring vacation. So we'll be sharing some interesting weather facts with you each night. Here's what's going on our Thursday night road conditions. You can see blowing and drifting snow at higher elevations for the Steeson-Elliott Highway. Down around the Richardson and Parks Highway, again, as we were talking about earlier, gusty winds, gusting as high as 60 miles an hour at both locations, so keep an eye on that and watch out for some icy spots too. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Increasing high clouds, continue very mild, 12 degrees. Tomorrow's forecast, 40 degrees. Once again, another mild day, cloudy skies, and the extended forecast calling for temperatures to cool off through the weekend. Good for the sled dog racing that starts tomorrow. And we're looking at temperatures to continue that cooling trend into Sunday. The way it looks right now, overnight lows right around 5 degrees each night.